Foodie Mom.
Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, hi, my dear son. Come in. Welcome home.
Okay, Mom.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Tony, why do you look so skinny?
Huh, Mom? I'm normal.
No, you need to eat. Go over there. I can't believe in 2 weeks you got so skinny. Now sit down here and eat for me. You need to eat.
Mom, don't worry about me. Today's Mother's Day.
I don't care. You look so skinny. You need to eat. Now wait here.
Okay, fine, Mom. You always do this. Huh? Mom, how did you cook all this in half an hour?
Don't worry about that. Now time to eat.
Mom, I got it. You don't have to... What? Mom, okay.
No, I have to feed you because if I don't, you're not going to eat.
Mom, I'll eat. Please slow down.
Okay, but you have to eat everything.
Okay, Mom. I'm eating now. See?
The show-off mom.
Mom, happy Mother's Day!
Aw, thank you. I love it so much.
Oh, hey, Max. Hey, Miss Joyce. Hi, Mom. This is Miss Joyce. Miss Joyce, this is Amy.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Joyce, he gave you those little flowers for Mother's Day? Yeah, he did. I love it so much. Really? Okay, but look at the flowers Tony got me. They're so expensive. Oh, he didn't get me big flowers, but he got me a limited edition diamond necklace. Well, that's nothing. My Tony got me this diamond encrusted watch and this gold necklace. Oh, really? Well, my son got me an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Max, we gotta cut them out.
Yeah, we should.
Well, I got a golden bracelet. Oh, yeah?
Hey, Mom, let's see
our tables right now.
Mom, don't do that. That's so embarrassing.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
Mom, why do you always do that? It's so embarrassing.
What are you talking about? I didn't even do anything. Could you recommend something from your menu? Yeah, our chicken.
Mom.
The friendly mom. For young people, parties are always fun. But it can be more fun when your mom comes.
Huh? Whoa, Mom? What are you doing here? You're embarrassing me.
Oh, come on, it's a party. I just want to dance with you guys.
Mom, stop, please.
Hey, Lily, you know me? I'm Tony's mom.
Hi, Mrs. Amy.
Oh, Mom, don't do that.
So how long have you guys been dating?
Don't answer that. Do not answer.
Oh, stop it. I'm talking to my daughter-in-law. Let's be besties.
Besties? Okay, Mrs. Amy.
So how long have you been dating? Don't be shy. Answer me.
I think about a month, Miss Amy.
Oh, well, congratulations for marrying me.
Mom, you're so embarrassing.
The nosy mom. Huh? Who are you texting? Is it your girlfriend and you didn't tell me? I'm your mom.
Huh? Mom, are you spying on me? This is personal stuff.
I was just checking the couch. You want to hide from your mom? Well, you can't, because your mom is a good spy. Now let's see what you were hiding, son.
Lily, I got some lily flowers for you.
Oh, thank you. They're so pretty.
Just like you.
I knew it. He's dating without telling me.
Huh? What's that sound? Mom? Is that you?
I'm not your mom.
Oh my gosh, Mom, you're always spying on me.
The cuddling mom. Wait, Tony, don't go yet.
Huh? What, Mom? I'm late.
You forgot your lunch.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Wait, Tony, wait.
Huh? Again, Mom? What do you need?
It's cold outside. You need a scarf. Come here.
Are you serious, Mom? That's a woman's scarf.
I don't care. I just want you to be warm. Come here. Don't think about taking it off. I'll catch you.
Fine, Mom, I won't take it off. I gotta go.
Wait, Tony, stop.
Mom, I'm gonna get fired if I'm late.
I'm serious. Come here.
Okay, Mom? Okay, Mom, please, I'm late. Okay, Mom, I gotta go for real.
Okay, good luck, Tony. Bye. The proud mom. Joyce, look at this. My son Tony got Employee of the Year. I'm so proud of him. Really, Amy? That's so impressive. And you know what? His girlfriend's really successful too, and they're getting married next year. I'll be a grandmother. Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. You must be so proud of your son. Yeah, that's right. He's my son, and it makes me so proud. The strict mom. Are you serious, Lily? A 92% on your science test?
Yeah, Mom, that's an A.
No, it's an A-, not an A. And are you reading again?
Yeah, Mom, I'm reading reading books because I want to be a writer.
Are you serious? No way. You have to be a scientist like your dad, not a writer. Give me that. Make sure you study. Expect an A+ next time.
Fine, Mom.
Good. And if I see you with another book, I'm cutting off your allowance.
Okay, Mom.
The Neat Freak Mom.
Whew, finally finished.
Lily, why aren't you cleaning up? I told you to clean the kitchen.
I did, Mom. Everything's so clean.
Fine, let me check. Then what is this? It's still dirty.
It's just one piece of dirt, Mom.
Dirt means bacteria. I can't trust you. I'm gonna watch you clean up.
Okay, fine, Mom.
Okay? Don't forget the vase. You missed the spot. And here, look, what is that? Right there. The biased mom. Max, what are you doing?
I'm just playing games, Mom.
Playing games? Are you serious? Why aren't you doing your homework?
It's summer break. I don't have any homework.
Put your leg down. You always have an excuse. That's why you're not as good as Tony.
Calm down, Mom. I have a 3.9 GPA in college right now.
3.9? Look at Tony. He has a 4.0. When are you going to be as good as him?
Mom, why do you always compare me to Tony? He's my friend.
If you were that good, I wouldn't be comparing you two. Now give me your game. Go study.
Fine.
The know-it-all mom.
Mom!
What, Lily?
I cannot find the milk.
Are you serious? It's on the side cover, Lily. Check.
Oh, it's right here. But where's my cereal?
It's in the pantry, on the third shelf from the top, hidden behind the raisins in the corner.
On the third shelf, hidden behind the raisins? Oh, it's right here. Thanks, Mom. You always know where everything is.
Of course I do, but remember to clean up after yourself, okay?
Okay.
Hey everyone, did you know moms will always love us?
Mothers are also the ones who always take great care of us.
And moms know everything.
Happy Mother's Day!